G'day everyone, I just wanted to make this post a response to the last video I made where I gave an unedited, complete 20-minute copy of the whole incident, which has led me to go to court on August the 19th in Berg over 2 criminal charges, one for willful and obscene exposure, the other one for harassing someone on the internet, and the third one is just a fine for offensive behaviour. So check out that footage in the link below or before, just so this makes sense. This is kind of just a response from all the people who kindly responded. A lot of good stuff, and I appreciate it, and even the negative stuff I want to take on board and really let it sink in for me, learn something from it, or stand up and rebut it. And so this is the basic story with this whole fucking shit that's gone down, right? And I'll just preface it by saying I've been through this about 4 years ago in 2013 because I got busted because Gary ate some grass fucking when I took him into Sydney. And again, on that case, it wasn't from Gary fucking upsetting someone and them going to the police and going, can you bust this guy because he's fucking destroying me, fucking whatever. It was initiated by the police who came up to me and just didn't fucking like me and said, you've done a whole lot of things wrong. And I've said, what? And they couldn't come up with anything. So they've literally said, fucking, I'm going to get you. Fucking Shane the copper from the Rocks. And he's gone to a police lawyer. This is what they do. They go to a police lawyer and go, how can we bust this guy? Now, this should be fucking illegal for cops to do this. You sure respond to the community, but cops shouldn't be allowed to just fucking go up to someone and blatantly go, I'm gonna fucking nail you for something, and then get police lawyers to work on it for months until they come up with something. It's fucking not on, man. And this is the exact same story in this case. No one in Berg complained about anything about my behaviour, went to the cops at all. This has all been instigated from the cops. And now cop this, it's been instigated from a cop who was in the bar on a Sunday morning where I was, having a drink, and he's overheard a conversation with a couple of girls who were giggling about me drinking piss, right? And so he's referred it to Michael Hill, one of the Berg coppers, and said there could be something in this, fucking look into it. So Michael Hill has gone to his lawyers again and come up with 3 charges. Now, at least with the goat eating grass, they had a bit of evidence. It was bullshit, but they claimed that he destroyed a flower bed in the brief of evidence, right? So they've at least tried to, and then, when it came to the court day and they had to get up on the witness stand, the cops who said that didn't turn up, subpoenaed, I've got an excuse, I'm in Queensland. But at least in the brief of evidence, they had a fucking, they're trying to frame me. In this one, for a sex offender, there's no fucking evidence. If you murder someone, there's got to be at least a body or someone missing. And if you're a sex offender, there's got to be someone in the public who was sexually offended by what I did, but there's no one. The 2 girls who were giggling in the fucking bar were alerted to me drinking piss after I'd done the piss into the glass because the doctor was squealing and laughing so much and basically telling them, fucking look what's happening over here. But when the cops went and interviewed them, these girls couldn't say that they saw me actually do a piss, right? Which is what the willful and obscene exposure is all about. So I'm being charged as a sex offender because a cop's heard that 2 people saw the back of me when I was doing a piss, and they did. And it was the publican who Philip Parnaby, who invited me into the pub. He'd been with me all week going, fucking, can you do another interview? Can you fucking, oh mate, you got such a big reach on Facebook, fucking, can you do all this fucking stuff on all my mates' businesses and everything? And I'm going, well, if you can give me some interesting stuff, I'll think about it and do it. And he did. And this last one was with a doctor. And he's going, come on, just do one more interview with her. And I told him, I said, look, I'm into urine therapy when I'm not touring. That keeps me fit and healthy. Can I talk to her about that? And he said, yeah. And in the interview, he's fucking egging me on, fucking going, yeah, watch this. He's telling her, yeah, fucking watch this, right? He's right up for it. And I felt comfortable. I felt, right, I'm in a venue where people are either over 18 or if they're under 18, they're in close adult supervision. And I'm with the publican of the pub and I'm talking to a doctor in a really natural environment. And she gave me a great interview. She was talking honestly about the need for people to have fucking better health. Most doctors don't do that. Most doctors are trained just to think that your health has got to do with genetics and fucking modern medicine and fucking, exercise and food. Oh, it does a bit, but don't look into it too much, otherwise you're a wacko. This Dr. Heather was just admitting, like, fucking most of the health problems she gets is from people just not eating or exercising properly, and also acknowledging that there's fuck all fucking good food out in Burke. Right? In country Australia, there's fuck all. You can go to the supermarket and there's fucking frozen oranges from fucking China. I mean, unlike here in Thailand, I come to these places in between touring because, mate, it's just fucking cheap, fucking beautiful fruit and veggies, and you can fucking get healthy. So I'm making a real political statement in this interview, as you can see, and the police are basically trying to fucking go Julian Assange on me and fucking frame it as a sexual fucking crime, which, fucking, at least with Julian Assange, they've got a fucking couple of chicks who claim to fucking have instigated the whole thing, but with my thing, there is nothing there. You can't charge someone for being a sex offender if there's no one's been sexually offended. It's like charging someone for rape because fucking someone fucking had a wank over someone and thought about them. It's fucking, I'm a comedian. I'm not even going to fucking try and make a joke out of this. It's just fucking wrong. So I'm not really worried about this sex offence crime. I mean, if they want to charge me for being a sex offender, and there's no one fucking sexually offended, fucking go for it. I'll wear it. Fucking, and so will they, mate. So will the court system. Fucking, all they're going to do is pretty well offend anyone who has been a victim of a sexual crime, because this is really reducing the gravity of what a sexual offender is by me just going to court over it, let alone fucking, being convicted of it. So I'm not fussed about it. It's not going to hold up. And the other thing is harassment using the internet. Fuck, man, this is even more bullshit. Like, this is the story, right? So I'm at Philip Parnaby's house in North Burke where there's fucking no crime. That's where all the fucking rich people in Burke live, right? And he's alerted me to the fact, mate, the police are out all after you. The fucking word's got round town, they're looking for you. And he's gone, oh, well, you're in North Burke, they're not going to find you here. They won't be able to see over the riverbank. And I've gone, mate, no, I'm not going to, this is not a case of me going, oh, I'm going to flee to the nearest fucking Ecuadorian fucking embassy and get out of this. It's like I've got full footage of what happened. I want to fucking deal with this right now because I've got to leave town this afternoon. So before I leave town, I just want to front up to the cops and go, here's the fucking story. I've got a reasonable excuse for what I did. It's not what you think. It's not like I was just fucking pissed and getting me cock out and going, oh, fucking isn't that funny? No. So I've gone into the cop station with Philip Parnaby, the publican's son, who would become good mates because Philip's fucking invited me back to his house and, introduced me to his wife and his family. This is despite, in the fucking brief of evidence, him going, oh, fucking after the incident, I fucking kicked him out. Fucking bullshit. Look at the video. You're not fucking kicking me out. So I've basically gone in and I've gone to the Burke cop station and they're not in there because they're all out fucking looking for me, right? And then someone said, well, why don't you go down to the cop station? Small town, everyone knows where they are. I've already met the fucking half the cops because Philip's introduced me to them. And I've rocked down there with a USB stick and with the footage and given it to one of the girls, coppers. I said, just give this to your boss. He's out looking for me. Can you give it to him? And I filmed it just to prove that I'm fucking cooperating. That's the main reason I've done it, right? Because I know cops can go, oh, you're not fucking cooperating. I'm fucking cooperating. So that's fucking happened. So we've got this crazy situation where I've been charged with harassment due to the fucking me going above and beyond trying to help them out with the fucking evidence while they're out looking for me, right? So they're charging me for harassment for fucking helping them. And I'm helping them. I'm not helping anyone in Burke because no one in Burke gives a fuck about what I did. There's fucking bigger issues happening in Burke. Like, this is against the backdrop of a town, and I'm not joking, it's got the highest crime rate in Australia. It's an ice town. It's fucking got so many fucking break and enters and assaults and burglaries and drug related shit, and the locals don't fucking even report that anymore because they know that the cops don't fucking do anything. They're like, you know, all the Philip Parnabys and all the fucking big knobs who own all the pubs and stuff in town are all trying to fucking go, let's just get Burke on the map as a tourist place, which is why they were getting me to video. But you talk to the people on the street and they go, mate, it's not going to fucking happen because there's just too much fucking crime here. And the reason, there's two reasons. One, because there's fucking a lot of criminals here, but the main reason they say is it's not being policed properly. Burke is just full of young coppers who come up there out of police academy and they go up there to get outback points. You do 3 years up there and you can fucking afterwards go to Byron Bay or wherever your hometown is. So they're young cops who aren't equipped to deal with these serious crimes, so they fucking go for fucking easy ones like me. Just fucking so many breaking enders and shit and crime. Oh, let's go and hassle the comedian. Yeah, let's just go and waste a whole lot of police resources on this guy and waste the fucking magistrate's time as well. And by police resources, these two crimes of fucking sexual assault and internet harassment are fucking not going to stand up in court, mate. If they're going to fucking find an excuse to get it, they've already told me we'll drop the fucking charges, those two charges, the criminal charges, if you accept the fucking offensive behaviour, which I'll get onto soon. And I've gone, no. And I'm going, well, why don't you just fucking not give me those fucking charges in the first place? And the whole idea to do it is just to scare me into criminal charges, all this shit, and then dump me into the system. And which has happened. I've got back into Australia after Thailand. I've got no idea that there's criminal charges after me. My parents have rung me up and said, fuck, the cops have rocked up fucking wanting to arrest you in Sydney. I'm in Adelaide. I'll go straight to the Elizabeth police station and go, look, I've got a police warrant out for me. They go, what for? And I go, oh, fuck, I don't know. And they go, well, fuck it, just wait till you get back to New South Wales. So I go, right, I'll continue my tour to Tasmania. And then, as you would have seen in my last video, I'm in Garoke in Victoria, and one of the coppers puts in my number plate and it comes up that I'm a sex offender on the run with a police warrant out for me. And then I fucking get hauled up and I explain to him what happened. He goes, that doesn't make you a sex offender. And I go, yeah, I know. He goes, you got to go to fucking New South Wales to hand yourself in. So I've gone to a major town, Wagga in New South Wales, handed myself in. They've fucking locked me up, right? I fucking had to explain to them, you know, what happened. They're going, doesn't make you a sex offender. I go, yeah, fucking I know. And they've eventually let me out on bail. I've had to report for fucking every day for a court case. Then I've gone to this court case, the fucking news have picked it up, and then they've got a response from the Burke coppers, and this is their response.
Inspectors at Burke have told Prime 7 News they believe the comedian directly targets them and the courts to advertise his business.
Yeah, I've got a situation where they're basically saying I'm going around committing sex crimes to fucking get publicity. Like, they're playing the victim card to the fucking nth degree. There's no one in Burke playing the victim card because there is no fucking victim in Burke apart from the fucking cops who are saying I'm doing this on purpose to get publicity. It's like, you're fucking giving me charges which you're admitting now are fucking not worthy of fucking being charged for. And by that, after that court case in Wagga, I then had to go up to another mentioned case in Burke, and it was a fucking long way. So I've sent a lawyer in, paid a lawyer to go up there, and that's when he said, oh, they've offered to drop the charges. And I'm going, fucking no, I'm not going to fucking drop these charges to accept this offensive behaviour. I'm a comedian, you know, some pretty fucking, for want of a better word, edgy stuff. And if someone's going to, you know, I've got to have a reason for being offensive. I'm sure I know people were offended by what I did, but I've got a reason for it, which I'm going to get onto. So, fuck these other two charges off. I don't give a fuck, right? And if there's anyone out there, and there are a few, not many, there's a few viewers who like the idea of me being a sex offender. Look, just look into why. What do I bring up in you that you fucking don't like? It's not like I'm fucking rich or fucking, there's nothing to be fucking jealous of. I'm just a fucking cunt having a go, right? And if you're not having a go, you probably fucking hate me for it because I'm fucking having a go. Just fucking have a go yourself. And if you think I'm a sex offender, at least come up with a fucking victim. Who have I fucking offended? Fucking no one. Anyway, now we're getting to the fucking pointy end of this. It's the offensive behaviour thing. Now, I agree that fucking what I did was offensive. I'm not fucking doubting it. I'm drinking my own piss. Now, for those of the people who think, why don't you fucking do it in a pub, Jimbo? Like I said, I'm doing it in a venue where people are over 18 or fucking under the supervision of an adult, right? So, something fucking weird happens, a fucking adult can explain it to them. Now, if something weird happened in that pub, the parents didn't like what fucking was seen, well, they just go up to us and go, what happened? Then you just explain to the kid if they happen to see it, and they wouldn't have seen it unless they didn't see anything. There's two 14-year-old girls in the corner of the pub. That's what, you look at the video, I didn't fucking see them. I wasn't fucking looking at them. I had no idea what age they are. I didn't even know about them until the doctor started screaming at them and fucking saying, fucking, they're in the room and bringing them into it. So, yeah, obviously this whole thing of like sexual assault and two 14-year-old girls is pretty fucking emotive. But when you look at the facts, fucking, they haven't seen what I've done. So it all comes down to, I've pissed in the glass. Now, one of the big questions is, Jimbo, why didn't you go into the toilets and fucking do it? Now, it's a valid question, and my answer is, I'm trying to explain to people about urine therapy. Now, I've done so many videos on it, but so many people writing, hey, he's a comedian, it's a joke. That was my opportunity to show that it was real. You could see, if I went into the toilet, they could say, oh, it's just fucking apple juice. The doctor could have said it. But from her reaction, you can see that I fucking pissed into a glass. And that was confirmation of it. And I wanted that point put in, especially after the doctor had clearly said that urine is sterile. She said that there's no harm in drinking it. She's heard of it as a therapy, and the idea that someone doesn't like medicine just because of the taste is ridiculous. And she agreed with all that, and she says it, and it was fucking, doctors rarely admit that, right? On tape, they fucking, oh, fucking urine therapy, that's fucking wacky, but they all know it's sterile and it comes from your kidneys. So I wanted this from a doctor. You're not going to believe it from some cunt who's fucking going around selling I fucked a goat shirts, but from a doctor, it's credible. And the doctor acknowledged, and then I pissed. So that's why I did it. Now, the big thing is, on this whole urine therapy, is when I first heard about it, it was in Queensland years ago when I was travelling around. I've been travelling around since 2004, for heaps of time before I met Gary. And I'm into just sort of keeping myself healthy, just to keep myself going. I'm fucking 46 now, and fucking it's been a long time before I've got this so-called break. And by break, it hasn't turned into money, because the only way I can turn this into money is if I on-sell my site to other products, which I'm not doing. So every time someone writes in going, oh, fucking don't like your site, fucking I'm disliking, I'm leaving, fucking whoopie-doo, mate. I'm not selling you, man. It's nothing to me. It's like, fuck off. I want people in here who enjoy my stuff. And if this page goes off or down here, I want it be because of fucking what I'm doing, not because I'm fucking selling out the clickbait ads and shit like that, which is essentially it's public relations. Basically, the medical industry does it all the time. They don't advertise. They say it's because we're impartial. It's fucking bullshit, mate. They just go straight to the editors and go, can you fucking put this press release in? Or do this campaign? And that's what I'm getting all these offers on my page. Can you fucking pretend that you fucking like this product? It's like, no, cunt. Fucking, I'm not going to do it. I like drinking piss, man. But no one's going to fucking put that on the front page of newspapers. And that's why, that it's good for you. That's why fucking I feel really strongly about doing this. I'm telling people about piss. Now, a lot of people go, okay, Jimbo, right, I'm open to the idea it is, but have you got any medical proof? They always say that. It's like, have you got any medical proof for this? It's like, there's fucking heaps of medical proof. And they go, oh, well, yeah, is it peer reviewed? It's like, yeah, fucking heaps. But urine is the most heavily researched fucking substance by the pharmaceutical industry. They repackage urine and fucking just sell it for millions of bucks in so many different products. And it's acknowledged as urine being a fucking benign substance. There's no side effects in drinking urine. So it's a 1 + 1 = 2 equation for me. Just fucking drink the shit and you'll be fucking right if you do it with good diet. And that's the thing. When I'm on tour, I don't have a good diet in the outback, and I fucking lack of exercise, and I fucking go down by the end of the tours. By the end of the tour, I'm fucked, mate. Look at this. G'day, guys. Just want to say that I'm fucking rooted. Me back is fucked at the moment. You know, I'm just fucking becoming a normal fucking middle-aged fucking person. Fuck that, right? So I want to when I get off tour, I fucking drink piss, and I'm now been drinking fucking every drop of my own piss for fucking 20 days in a row now, and I've fucking just gently lost about 3 kilos, and I'm feeling fucking heaps better, and I'm fucking pumping my body full of just good food, and all the toxins are going out of my liver, which creates your shit, fucking shit. You know, all those people going, oh, you drink your own piss, why don't you fucking eat shit? No. Shit's a completely different thing. It comes from your liver. Piss comes from your kidney. So you fucking, shit is a toxic thing, man. And that's the big thing about, which I found when I first discovered this urine therapy at a mate's place in fucking Queensland. A little book on the coffee table was about urine therapy, and this guy down the road put it there, and then I was just fucking laughing about it, you know, like, as if you drink your own piss, you know. Fucking, it's just fucking, you know, you laugh and disgusted. I went through all the normal reactions which most people have, and what fucking opened my eyes up to it, this guy came in and he said, I'm on a 10-day fucking urine fast to get rid of, just to clear himself out. He goes, he originally did it 10 years ago to get rid of hepatitis, and he said, I just do it every 10 years. And I'm watching this guy turn his back to me with his Speedos and fucking fill the VB bottle up and fucking drink it, and I've seen him do it for fucking 10 days without fucking eating anything, and he's got a bit skinnier and his eyes have got brighter, and I just went, fucking, how come you're not dying, cunt? Like, you know, like if someone ate their own shit, well, okay, maybe fucking good on you, cunt, but doing it for a week, 10 days, fucking, it just blew me away. All the scientific literature in the world wouldn't convince me as much as this guy doing it fucking in front of my face. But I can't do this in front of you viewers. You can see the criminal charges that are coming on down me just for fucking not even showing my cock while I'm doing it. But I'm fighting for this because the benefits from doing this is an option which is good for people's health, and also for reducing the massive debt we're in, which is just a fucking joke, man, all around the world. Like, why are all these countries in debt? And it's like, oh yeah, it's a fucking, we're passing it on to our, you know, the right-wing people, we're passing it on to our grandchildren. And no, we're passing on a debt system which is impossible to repay to our grandchildren or fucking next generations, you know, and all the fucking left wing going, oh, we fucking should fucking give more money to, you know, the company should pay more tax. It's like, fucking tax is a fucking joke, man. Tax was set up just to give people the illusion that they're paying for fucking shit. They don't, man. People paying for all the people who create money. The Internal Revenue Service, the tax system in America, was created in 1913, the same year that the Federal Reserve was taken over by privately owned bankers. And it's all a fraud, man. It's just to give the illusion. That's why, who's paying for all these police? When I get fucking arrested and all, who the fuck's paying for it, man? It's not taxpayers, man. It's just a fucking never-ending quantitative easing, fucking, and we're getting to the end of it. So I'm basically saying, everyone knows all the solutions: renewable energy, locally grown food, and fucking preventative medicine combined with modern medicine. But it's not about, like, as I said clearly in the video, it's not about like just reducing people's access to medical care. It's just about increasing people's health so that they don't actually need medical care. So that's how it fucking gets reduced. But with interest rates down below nearly 0%, all these solutions to humanity are going to cause the interest rates to go below zero, and that is just an economic meltdown for the central banks. It's not for humanity, though. The clear solution is to create principal and interest-free money. And it's like, you can do it. And people go, well, why don't you fucking do it politically? I fucking have, man. I'm fucking doing it politically. I've tried to set up a political party. You've seen it. Or if you've been following what I've been doing, and it's been shut down by fucking Asia. And I've gone to the Australian Federal Police, look at my blogs, the links below, and I've said, look, these people who said they're working for Asia, who claim that just wanted to help me out because they're fans. I've given the address where they live, the email, the bank accounts. The Australian Federal Police are fucking not fucking responding to me. It's an ASIO fucking, it's above their heads. ASIO will fucking shut it down. So, again, all this is political, man. There's fucking I don't think the top of setting me up on this thing in Burke. I just think it's a fucking lazy cop who's gone, oh, fucking, I'll be a hero and this will look good on my fucking thing, and just being, an ego thing for him as well. How dare you fucking question me? That's what's the problem. You can't question these people because they just fucking tip you into the legal system, and I've been tipped into it big time. I've got lawyers on this, right? I've gone for legal advice on this, and they basically said some people who did my court case in Sydney for the grass eating pro bono, and it was like, adjourn it to Sydney. We'll drag the cops into Sydney. And it's like, and I'm thinking, nah, I've pleaded not guilty. I'm going out to Burke, man, because Burke's got the highest crime rate in fucking Australia. I'm not going to fucking drag all their cops out to Sydney for a pissy little case. And even if I try, they're going to come up with an excuse not to do it, right? I'm going into Burke, man, and I'm going to fucking face the music, man. And so are the cops, man. They've got to get up there in front of the people in Burke, in their fucking local court. And one of the cops has described, the girl cop who I've handed the USB in has said in the police brief of evidence, that I felt so violated when the comedian turned up to my house. It's like, you felt fucking violated. You fucking met me before. I fucking said jokes to you. You fucking been laughing. I'm a comedian rocking up at midday, giving you USB to help your boss out, and you're feeling violated. How about all the people in town who fucking been bashed and robbed, and they fucking go to the cops, and you guys go, oh no, we're fucking too busy. Too busy doing what? Fucking drinking down at the local bar, overhearing conversations. Fucking in order to fucking chase leads. Like, it's bullshit, man. And I'm not going to be a fucking victim over this, just like the fucking cops are pretending to be. I'm going to fucking go in there and take this as an opportunity to say that, yes, what I did was offensive, but I've got a reasonable excuse, which the law says, and that is I was talking about urine therapy. And as I said before, when you get into this urine therapy, most people go, well, fucking prove it. It's like, you can't. You can't convince these people. Oh, it's peer-reviewed. Yeah, but has it been peer-reviewed by people doctors in the last few years? Yeah. Well, fucking, they basically want to go, has it fucking been put in a journal where there's been PR companies fucking funneling that information onto the front page of newspapers? And the answer is no, fucking no, because there's no one going to make any money by telling people about urine therapy. No one. You drink your own piss. You can't fucking charge for it. So this is what this court case is about. I am basically saying to the cops, this is the only way you can fucking nail me on this, is by, if you give me a reasonable excuse. If you say that drinking urine is not a reasonable excuse, if you prove that drinking urine fucking doesn't improve your health, you've got a fucking good case, man, but you can't do it. The medical industry can't do it. That's why they ignore it. So it's up to you, cops. You fucking prove that drinking piss is fucking bad for you. And it's also to the viewers. Fucking, it's not, man. Someone wrote in going, oh, fucking, why don't you fucking, it's sterile, so is glass. You don't rub glass on your face or fucking drink glass. No, but it's sterile as in it fucking kills fungal, bacterial and viral stuff. That's why during the First World War, on the front line, when soldiers got injured, cut, fucking shot, they fucking poured piss on themselves. It disinfected them. Or when they had an operation, they had to do a makeshift operation on the front line, they fucking got the scalpel and dipped it in piss. That's how they fucking disinfected a fucking surgical knife with fucking piss. They didn't dip it in fucking shit or anything. So piss, mate, is good shit, man. And yeah, give us your feedback on this. It's a fucking long video if you've got through this far. And if you're going, oh, fucking, I want more of Kevin and more of Gary, it's like, there ain't going to be fucking Kevin and Gary. Shit, if I get convicted of this stuff, mate, I'll still fucking go on. I'll just fucking do shows and just fucking make heaps of money. But that's not what I'm fucking about, man. If I was, I'd be doing shows. I wouldn't be doing videos every day. I can do a show for maybe 100 people and make $20 a ticket and make 100 shows in a row, make a fucking lot of money. But I'm doing videos because my last tour, it was averaging 500,000 views per fucking video, right? Now, I'm not getting any gold logies or fucking advertising money from it. I'm getting more than that. I'm getting an outlet to express what I think, and I'm fucking going to keep on fucking doing that. And that's why I'm standing up in court on all the fucking issues I'm talking about here. I'm standing up for me. I'm standing up for the people in Burke as well, going, mate, if you want any fucking good policing, here's your chance to put some pressure on the magistrate. Fucking, the cops have got to be fucking backhanded for this, otherwise they're going to keep fucking doing this shit. Go out and get the fucking real criminals. And it's just, there's a saying in Burke by Henry Lawson, you don't know Australia until you've been to Burke, and it was written in 1890, and it's the same story now. There's fucking so many of these towns around Australia, even the cities, where people know, why the fuck are the police complaining about funding and doing all this petty shit? Why don't they go after the fucking big issues? So that's the second issue I'm going in. The third issue is I'm basically just talking about the medical industry. Fucking, you guys got to get your shit together and fucking put some pressure to fucking reduce chronic disease, man. Because that's your cash cow, man. Fucking, it's fucking wrong, man. Fucking, are you there to fucking make money or fucking make people healthy? And just fucking think about health, man. And the fourth thing is, the fucking tax system is fucking hemorrhaging from all this shit. We've fucking been taxed to buggery for no reason. And we've got to fucking change this system to a system where we've got principal and interest-free money. And I've tried to do it politically and I've been shut down. And anyone in any country who tries to stand up and say, fucking, we're going to print our own money, is going to be fucking shut down. And any country who does it, is going to be fucking bombed. The last one was Gaddafi, Libya. There's only about 3 countries now, Iran, North Korea and Cuba, who print their own money. So, yeah, I'm standing up for that. And I'm also just standing up for the right for... Fifth one is free speech, man. It's going. Look at the fucking Facebook, mate. Remember when your news feed used to be all your friends, and now it's fucking just fucking monetised blogs from people you don't fucking know. And that's because all the people who are getting the attention on fucking Facebook are fucking getting all these offers. Oh, can you fuck off? I'm getting it all the time. Or fucking, if you let us do 3 fucking posts a day, we'll give you fucking $6,000 a month. It's like fucking saying, mate, okay, if you want to earn a living, how about you come and suck some cock, and then you fucking sign a contract, and the next minute you're fucking under the underpass, fucking sucking cock all day, fucking picking the VD scabs off your fucking mouth. And that's what's going to happen to my page if I start fucking selling out. I've already done a bit with this t-shirt company who go, we'll fucking put up the ads, we'll do the t-shirts, we'll send them out. I don't do fucking anything, but all the orders go through to them. I don't know how many fucking people bought t-shirts. I've had to fucking try and get them. I've got $3,000 off them for that campaign I did. They're seeing fucking millions of people are seeing it, and they're giving me $3,000 for advertising their business. And now they're putting pressure on me to fucking, can we have your password to Facebook because we want to fucking do ads to all you. They don't want fucking me. Oh yeah, love your comedy bullshit. They want you, man. I'm not selling you guys out. So, because fucking, the moment I start selling you guys out, I can't say whatever the fuck I want, and that's what this is all about. So August the 19th, I'm fucking going in there without a lawyer because fucking all the lawyers fucking want me to fucking go down the course of going, oh, fucking just fucking get them to prove that I pissed. It's like, no, I'm there to tell the truth. And they go, no, it's not. I'm not going to fucking lie. I'm not going to pay someone to lie and say I didn't fucking piss. No, I fucking pissed, man. No one saw me cock. I had a reasonable excuse for it. So, yeah, I'm going in there by myself, and the police are going to waste a whole lot of more resources getting a police prosecutor in to fucking try and nail me, but they can't, man, because I'm fucking going in with the fucking truth, and this is what this page is all about. I'm just fucking curious about what the truth is, and for all you people out there who fucking are supporting me in this, I fucking really appreciate it, and the people who fucking aren't supporting me, fucking, I appreciate that as well, but give me a valid reason. Just don't fucking go, I wish you were a sex offender, I wish you were fucking shut down, I wish your page didn't come into my news feed, because, mate, it's coming at you, mate, for as long as fucking this social media is fucking allowed to come at you from a fucking honest point of view. The beauty of social media is that I don't have all these people producing work, which used to happen for TV and movies. You need a whole fucking crew to fucking do this shit. Individuals can just get right at you. But to earn money out of this, I've got to fucking sell out. And I'm not going to fucking do that, man. Anyway, here I am in fucking Thailand. It's fucking beautiful here, man. I wish I could do this in Australia, man. I could probably do it on the fucking Sunshine Coast, but fucking by the time I fucking rented a place and fucking paid all that much money for fucking just, you know, all the food and everything, just wouldn't be able to fucking do it, man. So I'm kind of lucky that there's other places in the world like this. It's a fucking one big world, man. I'm not into this fucking one country world, which the fucking all these rules are moving towards. Fucking, you know, it's going to be one fucking currency, one army. Fuck that, man. There should be fucking none of that. No countries, man. Fucking, and just individual freedom should be fucking protected, man. Otherwise, it's not going to be worth being a fucking human, man. Sorry to end on a fucking downer, but I'm fucking getting up for this court case, man. I'm on day 20 of drinking my piss, man. I'm feeling fucking good, man. By the time I fucking get to this court case, I'm going to be fucking 90 days drinking every fucking drop of my own piss. And fucking this is going to be my body of evidence. Fucking me.